works. Yeah, it doesn't. All right, go ahead, sir. Well, good view from the 6th floor. I did fill these before, but do not ask me how I did this. Like I said in my previous video, these floors are all locked off. Alright, somebody's sitting right there. I'm gonna get a quick view from the 6th floor. I think there's a view right here behind this door. Yep, there is. Nice view of downtown. Nice clear day here in Orlando. There's a retention pond or some lake down there. Overall nice view. You can see Interstate 4 out in the distance. And down there you can see the pool. Again, like I said, for those who are wondering how I did this, please do not ask me that. Just out of respect for the place.
Oh yeah, I agree.
Hello. We'll get a view from the other side. And here's your view from the other side of the hotel. Perfect view towards the Orlando Health Hospital campus. You can see the ORMC North Tower right there, Cancer Center to the left, and right in the middle is the South Tower. That's the C Garage. And right in front of me, this is the Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute Medical Pavilion, with the hospital right over there. Alright, let's go back down the elevator now. Appreciate it. Want to go down? Oh, you're welcome. I'll set it back up for you. I believe these elevators were installed in 2020, if I remember. For those who wonder where these are at, that's the name of the place. Alright. Looks like somebody called the elevator. Just let them have it.
Sorry.
Yep. Hold the door for you.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Alright. There it goes, and that'll be it.